Exploring a common way of working. Execute a project. Do helps us establish a common way of managing projects. Execute is the third step within Do. It commences once all the necessary approvals have been obtained in the planned project phase. Execute is where we carry out the work defined in the project management plans. It describes how we prepare, coordinate, check and approve our work. This way we will deliver good quality and technically accurate information to our customers. Execute has 3 stages: develop, share and publish. Execute applies to projects of all sizes and complexity. Executing a project is the responsibility of the project manager, with guidance and support from the project director. Let's take a look at how we execute the new Thames Crossing project. During the plan phase, the new Thames Crossing project management plans were approved both internally and by our customer, Newco. The project is being fulfilled by multiple teams across multiple disciplines. These include highway layout, street lighting and drainage. After the plans were approved, Jess, our project manager, briefed the entire team with support from the project director, Lynn. They communicated the scope of the project and the format in which the information would be required. They also reinforced the importance of working to STEP. The drainage team is subcontracted to us. Their team members were included in the briefing so they understand the project scope and the required format for their information. Including them will give us consistency across the whole project team. The first step in the develop stage is to prepare the information. Information encompasses documents, graphical models and non-graphical data. The various teams read through the project management plans and the project plan of work before developing their respective information. They make sure they have a common understanding of their responsibilities. The team receives incoming information from the customer or other third parties. Regardless of its source, they check it and assess its suitability for the project in accordance with the guidance in the project plan of work. Once the information has been assessed as suitable for use, it is loaded into the project records. Jess reminds everyone that they can learn from previous projects. This will save time and offer an opportunity to incorporate improvements on previous work. If incoming information requires us to change the way the project is delivered, this is reported to Jess. She can then initiate the change management process. The various teams now start to prepare the detailed information, overseen by their respective team leaders. The team leaders are responsible for ensuring that the information is verified. Jess is pleased to see that the drainage team has developed the outline design. She suggests to Lynn that they hold a technical review to make sure that the proposed concept will meet Newco's requirements. Lynn defines the scope of the review and arranges for it to take place. She receives the reviewer's report and she works with Jess to implement the actions identified in it. The next step in the develop stage is to verify the information. As each team completes its tasks, their assigned checkers verify the quality and technical accuracy of the information. If no corrections are required, it is passed on for approval. Jess knows this is a fundamental part of delivering successful projects. She ensures all information is checked against specific criteria as set out in the project plan of work. Records are kept of the checks made. The share stage now begins. Jess ensures that the information developed is presented in the correct format. She also makes sure it is suitable for coordination checks to be carried out between the full range of disciplines involved. For example, the highway layout, street lighting and drainage designs need to be reviewed together to make sure they are compatible with each other. By doing this, Lynn expects to confirm that the customer's requirements are being met. At this point, Jess advises Lynn that a technical review isn't necessary and Lynn agrees. Lynn arranges a coordination review. This reveals some anomalies which are documented. Jess confirms with the teams to resolve them. They revise their designs, following the prepare and verify activities within Develop, and repeat the coordination review to make sure everything is now satisfactory. Jess manages the progress of each information package through the develop and share stages until they are at a suitable point to be issued to Newco. When Lynn is satisfied that all the information in a work package is suitable for its intended purpose, she confirms it can be published. Jess ensures that the necessary records of information published are retained. This cycle continues until all the required information has been published in work packages, as defined in the project plans. The project then moves into the close the project process, including making sure that any lessons learned from this project are recorded and shared with others. Following the execute process helps us work efficiently. It ensures our work meets the customer's requirements. This is consistent with our mission statement. Execute the project contributes to our common way of working, enabling us to continuously improve the value and quality we provide to our customers by doing what we do better